Aye. Howdy, howdy, howdy. This is the start of a new era. Let me hype this up as much as I can. This is the start of a new era. This is the dawn of a new day. I never thought I'd be back here. Not even doing a bit right now. Not even joking. Never thought I would have a reason to return to Popeye 2021 speedruns. No one else was running it. I had the world record twice over. Tony? Tony? Is this one Tony still fucked up? Hold on. You might have gotten an ultra rare Tony. E-Drive. 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 No, all the Tonys are set correctly. The sound played. One of these Tonys is fucked up. And I don't know which one it is. We know it's not... Okay, we know it's not this one. We saw it last night. We know it's not Rain Jacket Tony. Have we seen My Wife is Awesome Tony? I think we have, right? We've seen First Responder Tony. Rain Jacket. Wait. No, that's the Hawaiian Punch Jacket. Raincoat Tony. We see him a bunch. Is it this Tony? Show us Tony. Show us Tony. I think I found the fucked up Tony. Why is this Tony fucked up? Odd. Strange. Let's try that again. Show us Tony. Show us Tony. Show us Tony. Show us Tony. I don't know what's going on. Show us Tony. I don't know. God fucking damn it. Son of a bitch. I knew it couldn't last. Maybe I just abandoned the whole Tony thing. Let me try restarting the program. No, because I have to restart OBS. I have to open the program before Tony, or before OBS. And like the sound is playing, so I don't think I think I need to abandon Tony. I don't know how to get it to work at this point. I've tried everything. Unless someone knows how to get this working, Tony might be dead. It was a fun few days, but I don't know why this isn't working now. I don't know why it isn't working. Nothing has been changed since yesterday. Nothing's been changed since yesterday. And the sound is working. It's not a layer issue. Fuck it, let me try restarting the program. Let's just see what happens. I think it's gonna fuck it up completely, is what I think. But, Tony might be dead. Because I can't... This was my last option. Was this one, and it the whole time I've been nervous about it, because it's been on shaky ground. When I was setting it up, there was weird shit going on. And I was like, I don't know, maybe I just don't understand the program. But now that I did everything correct, I did nothing wrong, and it's doing this shit, I think Tony might be dead. I think that might be the end of Tony. Yep, that's, well... Let me try one thing real quick. I don't think, God bless him, I don't think Pelamoon knows what I'm doing. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm downloading programs off of the deep web. I'm trading in crypto to get Tony to work. I don't... Yeah, I don't... Seriously, that might be the end of Tony. Well, it was fun while it lasted. Let me give him one more shot. In 52 seconds, I'll give him one more shot. And then we're going to give him one more shot through the head. You ever see the show? Little Sopranos reference for you. What was I saying? How did we get here? That's a bad omen. Can I be honest? I was going to roll a Tony for luck. I was going to do a Tony pool for luck, and based on what Tony I got would determine how good the run was going to be. That's bad. No Tony? That is bad luck. That is fucking ominous. Well, 5 seconds. He's back. And the best Tony. And it's my favorite Tony. Oh my god. Oh my god. We've gone from 0 to 100 on the luck scale, baby. We took all the points out of strength. We took all the points out of intelligence. We took all the points out of wisdom. And we put them all in luck, baby. Which Tony was I meant to get when I redeemed? I don't know. It doesn't tell me that. Sorry, I don't know what your Tony was going to be. Sometimes you will just get scammed on Tonys, I guess. And I'm sorry about that. It was one you thought was broken. You know what? Let's check to see. I could sit here all night pulling Tonys. Let me give this one a shot. Let's see. This is a Tony we haven't seen yet. And that's why I think he's broken. Let's find out. Let's see here. Is this one? No. That's Raincoat. Okay. Is it 2 minutes up? In 30 seconds, I'll try this one out. And we'll see. I think this is the only Tony we haven't seen yet. Out of the 6 initial Tonys, I think there's one Tony you haven't seen yet. And I'll give him a shot here in a second. But can I start my whole bit over? Can I start my whole intro over? Is that alright? You gonna tell the principal on me? Okay, no one redeem Tony. Do not redeem Tony. Will this work? Will this work? We got him without sound. This is Tractor Tony. That's a rare Tony. That is a rare fucking Tony. First time seen on stream. Tractor Tony. Are they all rare? No. Purple Raincoat Tony, through RNG, has become a common Tony. The Tony economy is always changing. You know. Right now, I think, from common to rarest, it's Raincoat, Hawaiian Punch Jacket, Sonic and Shadow, First Responder. How many has that been so far? And Tractor's the rarest. But technically, I will say, sorry to do this, no one has pulled Tractor yet. Technically, no one's pulled Tractor. We can't verify whether Lucas's pool was actually Tractor Tony. I'm sorry. Please accept our apology. And as a way of saying sorry, we're going to give you... You know what? Let's do a Tony pool. I will do a Tony pool just for you. Let's get you a free Tony pool. This is your pool. This is your Tony pool, okay? Let's see what it is. It's a common. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What happened to OG Tony? He isn't in the pool list. I didn't know if people would want him in the pool list. I can put him back in. This is literally worse than the 2011 PSN hack. Sorry. Sorry. You know what? Out of the kindness of my heart, we'll do one more. You'll get one more pool. OG should be the most common. Well, the OG isn't in the pool. And also, I don't dictate what's most common and most rare. It's all just set to a random number. But I'm willing, if we're building the Tony ranking, that's what I'm saying. The Tony economy is always changing based on the RNG. You know, if everyone's redeeming Tony tonight, tomorrow, Hawaiian Punch Jacket could be the most common one. You never know. But, if we're including discontinued Tonys, I would say OG Tony is probably the most common. Ed 4, oh, we're actually like building an economy out of this, aren't we? Maybe. All right, in 25 seconds, we'll give Lucas one more free Tony pool. Did anyone else get Tony scammed? Or was it just Lucas? I think it was just him. Yeah, okay. I've got more Tony. Again, get your Tony submissions in. I've got more Tonys coming. All right. This is your final free Tony pool. We're cutting you off after this. It's First Responder. That's uncommon. That's an uncommon Tony. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Dude, if I knew anything about coding, I would build out like a Tony redemption system. You could trade in, like, if you have 10 of a Tony, you could trade it in for a Tony of a higher rarity. But I barely knew how to get this working. I had to watch a like 100-view YouTube video of a guy showing how to do randomized sounds. And then from that, I was able to figure it out. So, let's just be glad that Tony kind of works right now. Made this exact thing, but it was about assigning Andy titles to people on a Discord server. If you can tie it to channel point rewards, I'd say let's do it. I think that would be funny. No Popeye costume? I thought about it. It's sitting in my bathroom. I thought about it. But I'm going to tell you that we got a 50-50 shot of world record tonight. So I never thought I'd be back to this. Seriously, I never thought I would have a reason to run this game again. No one else was running it. The game has been discontinued. It's been taken off digital marketplaces. You can't buy this game anymore. I thought I was the lone Popeye community member. And then, right at the end of last year, I got an email that my world record had been beaten by the man who created the category, by the man who put this whole thing on the map, Pat Speedruns. And I thought, now that's great. I'm getting back in. And I commented like, well, I guess I'm going to have to come back and chase that sub 25-minute run. Pat Speedruns, not Hat Speedruns. So, commented that. Nothing but respect. The sub 25-minute run, we didn't know if it was possible. We had theorized here on stream that it was possible, but we had never seen it done, and I commented that. Not even a day later, I get another email. Hey, your speedrun's been beaten again. Your world record's been beaten again. Pat Speedruns achieved my dream, achieved my goal of the first sub 25-minute run of Popeye 2021. I rested on my laurels too long. Let this be a lesson. I rested on my laurels too long. Not only did I lose the world record, I lost the sub 25 minute, the first sub 25. So that's what I'm back tonight to claim. I'm back tonight to get it back. I'm back tonight to get, if I can get a sub 25 tonight, I will be happy. Here's the thing. We got a 50-50 chance tonight. Two sides of a coin. Let's start with the good. I've got a new strat. I have analyzed the footage. I've watched both of his world record runs. I have watched my world record run. I have watched a bunch of just random gameplay videos of the game on YouTube, searching for glitches, searching for time saves. I didn't find any, but I think I have a theory based on Pat Speedrun's world record runs of some time save. We're going to see if that happens tonight. But here's the thing. We got two things working against us. One, the game is RNG based. The whole thing is RNG. You gotta pray for those good olive drops. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. I don't know how many runs Pat Speedruns did. He could have been playing since I got the world record, and he finally achieved it. I don't know. We're gonna pray to the RNG gods tonight. Second thing working against us. I rested on my laurels. I'm rusty. I'm not gonna lie to you. This isn't, took a season off, now I'm back. I've been training the whole time. I haven't touched this game since I got world record. I just haven't. So, we got a lot working against us, but I got theories on how to make this work. So we'll see what happens. But because of that, I was like, no costume tonight. Let's not try and push ourselves. No gimmick, no frills. Let's lock in on the gameplay. Let's lock in on trying to get this world record. Here's the thing. I don't think sub 24 is possible. I just don't. In the game's current state, I don't think it is. But I do think Pat Speedruns, the world record right now is 24:47. I do think I could get a 24:30. I honestly think that Pat Speedruns world record, he gets killed. At least once. It might have been twice. That's a time sink. You lose time on that. If I could go for the first ever deathless world record run, I think we could do it. I think if I implement my new strategy, which I'll talk about, and go deathless, which is, if you haven't seen the Popeye 2021 speedrun, that's a world record in of itself. That is an achievement. Because this game will kill you with the shittiest methods any game has ever done. You will literally die to invisible enemies. Pretty good game. Why did they delist this? We'll see what happens. I'm telling you, keep the hype up. Prepare your pogs, if you will. But maybe also keep your expectations in check a little. Who knows what's going to happen? Maybe I'm too old. Maybe, I don't know how old Pat is. So maybe 26, that's the flat line. You just don't have it in you to do Popeye speedruns after 25. I don't know. We'll see. This is just like Rocky 3. Yep. It's a Rocky 3 mixed with a Rocky 5. And that, I'm going to have a robot come out of the room. This shit is just like Ponyo. Yeah, because I love eating lunch meat. Isn't that what she eats? I don't remember. Anyways. So my new strat. I'll talk about this. Watching Pat's world records. Comparing it with how I play the game. Pat always goes for the spinach. We've debated on this stream whether always going after spinach would be good, because you've got the whole animation that plays out. But you get a speed boost, you get invincibility. I'm going after the spinach any chance I get. If I see that shit, I'm eating it. I think the speed boost negates the time sync of the animation. That's my theory. We're going to give it a shot tonight. All I needed was for someone to help me lab this game. That's all I needed. Pat did that. By getting those 2 world records, Pat did that. We've got a little bit more labbing going on that makes me, it's exciting to, chase the world record again. But really, I just enjoy the idea of labbing this game a little bit more. And figuring out a little bit more tech. And it bums me out tremendously that this game has been delisted. Because all I ever wanted and all I ever needed was more people playing this game. That's all I ever wanted, was more people playing this game. And the idea of a speedrun community based around this game is so goddamn stupid, it rules. And this isn't a hard game to run. Easy game to run. There's no tricks. There's literally no tricks that we know of right now. But it's been delisted. I very well may be the only person who cares about this game enough to preserve its files, and I don't know how to do that. At this current moment, this game is lost media, and I don't. How do you rip files from a PS5? I don't know. How do you rip digital files from a PS5? I don't know. But if there was some way to preserve this game, please let me know. Please help me figure that out. I don't think you'll be able to play it. I don't think PS5 emulation is at that point yet. I'm sure it exists at this point, right? But probably yeah, we got it to boot. Nice. But I would love to preserve this game. And I don't know how. So help me, please. If you got any ideas, if you know how, please let me know. Switch emulation that's true, but the Switch version is significantly slower than the PlayStation version. So while the game would be preserved, the run wouldn't. It wouldn't even be close. There would be no competition. That's how I won the world record in the first place. It's because we found out the PlayStation version was faster. And so I played that. It's simultaneously an exciting time and a depressing time. To be the former world record runner of this game. It's exciting because there's new theories and there's a reason for me to do this again, but it is depressing that it's oh, my one goal. I don't care about world record. Should I be saying that right now? Maybe not, but I don't care about world record. All I wanted was more people to run this game. And that'll never happen. That'll never come true. This kind of is like Rocky 3. Three? Yeah, 3. Isn't 3 when Apollo Creed dies? Or is that 4? The game being delisted was my Apollo Creed dying. That's 4? Fuck. Well, close enough. This is nothing like 4. No, not really. Mickey dies. Okay, this is like Mickey dying. The game getting delisted is like Mickey dying. Man, Rocky's cool. Those are some fun movies. Yeah, spoilers for anyone who hasn't seen Rocky 3 and 4. You've had 40 years to do that, so sorry. Why, Never mind. I know the answer. I was gonna say, why isn't Rocky in the new Creed movies? And I remembered why. Because there's Stallone has contract disputes. Are the Creed movies good? I saw the first one. I saw the first Creed and I thought it was pretty good. But I didn't watch Creed 2 and 3. I had a Lyft driver talk to me about Creed 3 when I was in Philly. And I was like, yeah, I don't know. I didn't see it. He's like, oh, man, it was good. It was good. And then he started recapping the plot to me. And I was like, oh, okay. Wow, that's crazy. So now when I, every time that I requested a Lyft, the second time I was in Philly, I would do don't talk to me. I'd hit the don't talk to me option because I didn't want to get a plot recap of, Creed 2. I want to watch those movies for myself. Thank you. No spoilers. And what I'm saying is basically I'm like Rocky. And that was my Rocky impression. What'd you think? Oh, I will tell you, I should say this. This is actually pertinent. I am out of here at, I think it's like 9:15. Hold on, I gotta check.
Magnet.
9:27. I am out of here because they are running Halo Combat Evolved at GDQ, and then they're doing Bomb Rush Cyberpunk after it. So I am out of here at 9:20. I have a hard out because I want to check those out. Also, I know I think half of my audience will leave to go watch that Halo run. So I am out of here then. We better get to running soon. Before I do, chat, how are you? How's everyone doing? Anyone see that Indiana Jones trailer? They did like a Microsoft Games conference thing. They showed off a trailer for that the Bethesda Indiana Jones game. And it actually looks okay. It actually looks pretty fun. I think it's interesting. I think it's exciting that we're gonna, after last year, we're gonna get another year of people pretending to care about Indiana Jones. Is that a hot take? I like Indiana Jones. I like Indiana Jones. I got no problems with Indiana Jones. But it was funny last year seeing a bunch of people go like, Indy, woo, and then that movie came out and I think made $2. I think a family of 4 accidentally stumbled into the theater and saw it, and that was the only people who went and saw that new Indiana Jones. So we'll see how the game goes. I feel like more people are gonna play this game than watch that new Indiana Jones movie. That's my theory. Bomb Rush was my favorite game last year. Hey, it was good. It was great. It was really good. I'm excited to see it speedran. It was funny, like playing Bomb Rush, and then when I was setting up this original Xbox, I popped in Jet Set Radio Future, and played it for 5 minutes and went like, oh, this doesn't feel like Bomb Rush. Like, who'd have thunk that if you just took Jet Set and made it feel good to play, you would have a really great video game. I watched the Indiana Jones movie at home. Besides the complete shameless nostalgia bait, it was pretty okay-ish. That's what I've heard. I've heard Dial of Destiny was like pretty okay. I heard that it is a really good start and a really good end, but the entire middle is overly long. Because that movie is like 2.5 hours long or something. I've only ever seen Raiders. And that was years ago. I barely remember it. You know, I know all the Indiana Jones movies, like, through pop culture osmosis, but I've never sat down and really watched them. So I should do that. I'm a Spielberg head. I'm a Spielhead. I'm a Berg head. I've just never... Well, not only am I Spielberg head, I love George Lucas. So, why haven't I watched those movies? I don't know. So, there's been multiple times where I've gotten, like, this close to watching them, and then I end up watching, like, Ghoulie. You ever seen Ghoulie? Bad. Don't watch that. So, I need TV. This is something I've come to the conclusion on this in the past year. I need cable TV to just... Alright, what's next? I'm really bad at choosing shit for myself to watch. So it'll be like I got the Criterion channel. It's like, oh, here's 100 of the most acclaimed movies of all time. And I'm like, okay, I'm watching a movie tonight. What am I going to watch? Scooby-Doo and Crypto 2. And it sucked. Why did I watch that? I'm really bad at choosing this shit for myself. I just need TV. So, figure that one out. Going to concert in a month with a lot of Williams and Zimmer music. Dude, that would be great. I think, not to sound like a Disney adult, if I heard some Star Wars music, if I heard like Leia's theme played by like a live orchestra, I would probably tear up. Some of that John Williams music is so ingrained in my soul, is so ingrained in like why I love movies, that I think if I heard some of that played live, I would not be okay. Criminal streaming services don't have a shuffle button. Thank you. This is something I've talked about for years. Specifically with shows. There are a lot of shows, there should just be a shuffle button. You should just be able to hit random. I had this thought because Tiny Toons Adventures, follow me on this, on a streaming service, all of the best animated episodes are up front because the production numbers or something. So up front, you get all the like Tokyo Movie Shinsa. Jesus, I still fucked that up, didn't I? Animated episodes up front. And then it's like, then you get like the Star Toons in the Draft Studios episode. Like they're blocked like that because of production number. And that's not how they aired. They didn't air like that. They aired based on whatever the syndicator, like it was a syndicated package. It was whatever the channel who bought the syndicated package wanted to air them in. You should just be able to hit random. To get that full experience, you should just be able to hit random. It's so, I don't know why it doesn't. If fucking Spotify can figure this out, why can't Hulu? I don't know. But that's a whole different discussion. I could spend all day talking about production order versus airing order and what's the correct way to do it. The answer is depends on the show. Do you look at... I'm going into it, and I won't. And I won't go into it. Or else we're going to have a 2-hour-long intro on our hands. Anyways. What else do I need to tell you? Tomorrow, I'm going to say there's a chance there might not be a stream. It's supposed to snow pretty bad tonight into tomorrow. And I might have to work a double tomorrow. If that happens, I just won't stream tomorrow. That's okay. I think that's it. Get a podcast about it. I would listen, just for the record. Remind me, write it down. Remind me like next stream. I'll do a whole fucking 2-hour-long intro about how if you watch Batman the Animated Series in airing order, you deserve to die. Real. If you watch that thing in airing order, may a plague befall your family. And it's weird because, well, now Batman the Animated, I'm going into it again. I ain't talking about it. I'll save it for another stream. I could be here for fucking days talking about it. I did want to say one more thing about the Indiana Jones game. It looks good. Like, it looks okay. There's kind of like a lack of like, I don't know. Doesn't feel like big cinematic to me. It feels very, just like hyper realistic graphics. That makes sense. It feels very like normal as opposed to like feeling cinematic. But I will say, I watched that trailer and I was like, damn. Okay, that's not Harrison Ford, obviously. But that's a damn good impression of Harrison Ford. Holy shit, that's pretty good. It's kind of hard to tell the difference. Did not know that was Troy Baker doing Indiana Jones. Sounds great. Sounds really, really similar to Harrison Ford. Sounds a lot better. You guys ever play Indiana Jones and the Infernal Machine on the N64? That's a Harrison Ford impression. Hold on. Just for posterity, here's my Harrison Ford impression. What's something he says? What's something Indiana Jones says? Hey, it's me. Hey, it's me, Indiana Jones. I love my hat. Hey kid, slap my ass. Yep. So if they want to replace Troy Baker, you know, my business email is in the details down below. Go ahead and shoot me an email. I can get when that game's coming out. What, in a few months? I can get it all re-recorded in time. Hey kid, you just got an Xbox achievement. Hey, what's the Indiana Jones? Laugh it up, fuzzball. There you go. Let's do Popeye runs, please. Let's get this shit show started. Hey kid, find my crystal skull. That's turning into Duke Nukem. Hey kid. Damn, those alien bastards ruined my movie. Hey, let me close this. All right. So you can see chat with the splits. Splits have been updated to reflect that Pat is the world record holder with 2447. But if you look, some of best segments is 2319. I don't think that's possible. That is taking all of my segments and adding them together. I don't think that's possible. I simply do not think a sub 24 is possible. We've never had RNG even get me on that pace. Clip from Pelly Stream. What is this? Is your ass washed?
No.
Is your ass? I don't even remember I don't know the context for that, but good clip. Good clip. All right. So, anyways, we've never RNG has never gotten me on that pace. So I don't know. It's never got me on a sub 24. You know what I need to do real quick? This is embarrassing. I'm so sorry. I'm going to be one more minute. I don't know when to start the timer. That's how long it's been. That's how much I thought I'd never come back to this. I don't know when to start the timer. Hold on, let me check Pat. Oh, wait, Pat. Right. Hold on, let me check my old run. Because Pat doesn't have a timer up. For his. Let me see, when do I start this? One more run. One more run, and then I gotta hit the road. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I started on when I hit start. Okay. When I hit play, it begins. I didn't know if I started it then or when the text comes up to tells you, what to do. All right, chant. Can I get some pogs in chant for the first Popeye run of 2024? Will this be the world record? We're gonna find out. You'll have to stick around for about 20 minutes and we'll find out. Let's be honest, you're not gonna have to wait 20 minutes to figure it out. If I can get a completed run tonight, I'll consider that a victory. All right, let's do it. Pray to Olive. Pray to the pop gods. See how this goes. Can I get one completed run tonight? All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. The races, baby. What? It's so good to be back. It's kind of terrifying to be back, to be honest with you. But it's good. It's good to be back, baby. Can I achieve the sub 25? Doubt it. Wait. Yeah, this is AGDQ. Guys, welcome to AGDQ. Go ahead, donate some money to me. I'll make sure it goes to a good charity. Alright, so like I said, my new theory in getting this all to work is to really focus on spinach. Before we were having debates on whether spinach was actually that effective because you have to wait for the animation to play. But both of the 2 new world record runs that have beaten mine focus pretty hard on spinach. So I'm going to try to do the same and see what happens. Yeah, there's spinach maxing. Yep. I'm going to try and do the same. A lot of interesting new details about this game have come out since the last time I ran it. One, that the thing's been delisted. That's crazy. We also have found that, like, there's, like, the level assets were probably purchased. The Popeye model is definitely taken from someone else. Whether it was purchased or stolen, I don't know. We're already in the red. Not worried about it. Not even a little worried. Okay, 9 seconds behind. Not a good start, but that's okay. All that matters is the end. It's all about the RNG. I will say that did not feel good. That didn't feel like a clean start, but that's okay. Washed? I told you I would be. I told you I would be rusty. Okay. It was something else that I remember seeing in the world record run for the ship. You know what? I don't remember what it was. Well, we'll see. Oh, okay. Goodbye. All right, bad start. Already not feeling great. Oh man, it's if anyone wants to complain about the game volume being too low, I get it. But I did that intentionally so that my talking would drown it out of being heard by me. I don't want to hear this music ever again. I know this when I die and go to hell, this is what it's going to sound like. How many of you this is your first time seeing a Popeye run? Have you seen my previous world records? Have you are you deep into the Popeye run lore? Or is this your first time catching a run? It's been a while since I've done a run. I just haven't felt the need to. And you know, since then been having a blast doing variety. Okay, still bad. Still bad. This is the first time live. Okay. Watch the old one. Fuck poopy. Who said that? Okay. So far, not good, but again, it's all about the RNG. It can all come together. The splits don't matter. That's what I'm saying. Like, my sum of best being like 23, that kind of just means nothing to me. I just don't think the splits matter until they need to matter. Let's go back over. Oh, there is one. There is one. Oh, come on. Reset. Reset. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, I really do. Hearing the music again is like triggering fight or flight in me. I don't... I hate this music so much. But I don't want to replace the music. I don't want to leave any opportunity for someone to be like, I'm cheating, hello? Because I wouldn't, I do not. I know my motto is I love to cheat. I think I've famously said that about 24 times. I seriously would never cheat doing this. Okay, there's no hearts over here. We're getting some bad RNG. Don't reset the first run. I won't. But I might not have an option on that. I may get killed hard. Oh, we are, oh no. We are 30 seconds behind right now. It's like, you know, you never, it could all come together. Again, I firmly believe about 97% of this game is just RNG. And that's, the 3% just comes from, like, knowing how to react. Which I don't. I feel like this game looks worse than it did. Is that just me? I don't remember there being so many, like, jaggy edges. Hurts. Any hearts? Chat, if you want to show your support for this run, post hearts in chat. I did try to submit this game for GDQ. We've talked about that. And they said, no, no. Get out of here. No. And I went, fair. You know what? Fair. Life goes on. To be honest, I don't even know if I would have been able to run this game with GDQ, even if it did get accepted. So, because they'd have me on at like 2 a.m. for Awful Games block. And that's, I'd be sweeping. Sorry. Can't speedrun after 10 p.m. That's prime sweepy time. Oh, this is a bad run, huh? Oh, we are cooked, huh? Yeah, I was going to ask Crunch, are you, did you think about going to GDQ this year? Send this run to the other guy so he thinks he's safe. Yeah, we're going to, we're going to hustle him. Not going? Okay. I would enjoy going, I think. And I even thought about going, but it was like I just don't know when I would be able to, schedule-wise, because I work a full-time job. It's like, I guess I could go, like, this upcoming Saturday, but with the snow and all that shit, I'm good. I'd rather just watch it from home, put my little tootsies up. Play a game alongside it. Can I get some letters, please? Mods, ban anyone in chat. In general. But, sorry, I'm laughing because I was going to say mods. Ban anyone in chat who posts L after I said that. And, as I was saying that, Olive dropped an L. So, you know, whatever. Letters, please. Olive. Olive, my sweet. Olive, my dear. Just a reminder, in case you're not up on your Popeye strats, for some reason, you are slightly faster on stairs. I would say do with this information what you will, but you can't really do anything with it because the game doesn't, you can't get the game anymore. On the ship level, do the letters drop on a set pace, or is there a time limit? Is there a limit on how many could be on the floor at the same time? I don't know. I got no idea. That's a theory you could have tested yourself if you had bought the game when it was still available. Oh. Bunch of hearts over to the right. That's some good starting RNG. That's nice. Gives you a little pep. Okay, we're not going to fall into gay baby jail. Over here, let's check out some stuff. Now, we've long held that going to the beach is a bad idea. I'm going to continue that because I still think it's a bad idea. A lot of the skybox flashing white, which I also don't remember there being a lot of. Maybe in my mind, this game is just better than it actually is. Gay baby jail. Gay baby jail is a term. I stole it from Mario 64 speedrunner god Simple Flips. Shouts out to Simple Flips. It's a term for like soft locking. If you get like locked in a spot, that's called going to gay baby jail. This one feels good. Hey, this feels good. Oh, hey. Hey, that's not bad. I told you that the RNG, sometimes it just evens itself out. That wasn't too bad. I don't even, what level are we on? I don't even know what level this is. 6? Or this is 7, okay. Right there. Go for it. I feel like them delisting this game really killed a game with great speed potential. This is a really good Babby's first speedrun game. Them delisting it. I'm not joking. That breaks my heart, man. Major bummer on that one. What are you going to do? You pick up the pieces. It was a personal attack. You know what? Hey, might have been, because I tried to reach out to the devs a lot. I tried about 3 different ways to reach out to the devs and ask them for like insight in how the game works, and they never even acknowledged that I existed. So could have been they could have delisted it because they were like, oh my god, someone's asking questions. What? No, someone's asking questions. Burn the whole thing down. Could be. Oh, I read chat. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. It was bound to happen. I've theorized that a really great time save would be to do a 0 death run, which obviously will not be this run. But if possible, I mean, it is possible. Well, let's see if we even finish a run at this point. Uh-oh. This one may be DOA. Okay, lost a little bit of time, but we're still doing better. This is it, though. I always die on 8. I was trying to go for swag strats. And was trying to, like, sneak around the skull. That was dumb. That was bad. Again, it's been a while. I'm a little bit rusty. Kind of forgot that hitboxes are so big. Which makes this level fun. Move. Move, please move. Ah, shit. Dodge. Now, if I complete a run tonight and it isn't like world record or whatever, I'm still going to keep going. Please. Like on that, I'm going to keep going. I want to see how many levels I can do as well. Pat Speedruns was talking about maybe adding another category of like 20 levels, which I don't even think is possible. I got to be honest. I think this game becomes near impossible after level 10. But I want to give it a shot. I want to get some training in. So I need one letter. Olive, you asshole. Okay. Didn't die on 8. That's good. I don't feel like I'm too rusty. I mean, the first run of the night is a completed run. That's pretty good. Completing a run is harder than getting the world record. Oh my god, what? Why doesn't she throw that fast all the time? That would be beautiful. That would be a miracle if she did. Oh, eat my ass. And that's Popeye. And that's Popeye. And that's Popeye. That is how it goes. What's my reset? Shift. Okay. You've beaten some of your best times. Yeah, you know what? Yeah. So on level 6, that was a PB. That's what the gold is that was a PB on that segment. So, pretty good. Hey, that's just how it goes. Welcome to Popeye Speedruns. If this is your first time catching it live, you're going to see that screen a lot. You're gonna have a lot of false hope get washed away, and I'm sorry. But you know what? Just be glad that I'm running Popeye and not running like a 12-hour JRPG. Okay. Let's run it again. What did we learn from that? That I got really bad RNG. I think that's all we learned. Okay. 3, 2, 1. You guys do any speedrunning? Chat? Anyone chat run any games? I've been thinking about picking up a new speedrun game. Once I take this world record back, I've got a couple games that I'm like, and they're like actual speedruns, opposed to whatever this is. Been thinking about speedrunning My Disney Kitchen. Thoughts? That would be a dope speedrun. Burnt food percent. How quickly can you burn Mickey's breakfast? Nope. Don't want that. Think you should start speedrunning Super Mario Bros. Does anyone speedrun that? I've been thinking about getting into Mario 64 speedruns. Is that seems like a pretty open category. Anyone playing that? I actually, you know what? That's not even really a joke. I have thought about doing a Mario 64 speedrun, but just for fun. Now that I've figured out how to BLJ, but I don't know. Pumpkin reference? I want letters. No, I don't want that. I do. You'll know which ones. I'm gonna bet. Do you, Chris? You speedrun probably Bad Rants. You bad Rants runner or speedrunning Phantasmagoria? Always thought it'd be fun to speedrun Mirror's Edge. Mirror's Edge would be fun. Damn, that's a good. I'm gonna look into that actually. That would be fun. I watched them. They did Mirror's Edge at GDQ. Maybe it was SGDQ this past year. It was recent, and there was a lot of cool clips. But like that game's nice and short and everything. I feel like that would be a fun run. I'm way more interested in like 3D game speedruns. I love GDQ time. You know, there's I definitely understand some complaints about GDQ. Others I think other complaints I think are like shut up. But I understand some complaints, but I love GDQ because it's the only time that like retro games get a real spotlight on Twitch. But in terms of like like watching runs or doing runs, I do prefer 3D games because I feel like there's more kooky tricks. With 2D games, a lot of times there are some cool tricks, but especially with like NES or Super Nintendo games, it's like, oh, how long's the run? 45 minutes. And it's like, oh, they're playing most of the game then. But when you see like Mass Effect 2 and it's like a 20-minute run, it's like, what? Okay, so they are cracking that game open. They are tearing that thing apart. And I find that, I don't know. I think that's more fun for me personally. But I love GDQ time because I can just put it on and just like hear the music of my favorite games and just enjoy the video games. All right, let's do raw. No, I just gay baby jailed. I just gave baby jailed. I just gave baby. Okay. 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 Damn, and we did pretty good on that first level too. You gotta learn the weird movement tricks. Oh, from Mirror's Edge, yeah. Do 120 star Mario 64. No. No. That's a lot of like knowledge retention that I just don't have. I'm not smart enough for that. All right. 3, 2, 1. I'm not smart enough for Mario 64 120. I'm streamer, use jump button. Wish there was. Wish there was. That's I don't know if I've ever seen that gay baby jail. Maybe I have. I know the other one pretty notorious. Well, for me, because I keep walking into it. There's still allegedly some glitch. There's a man on the boat out there. I don't know if you saw him. fishing over that way. Allegedly, there is some glitch where if you swim into him, something can happen. But in all my times of testing it, I've never gotten it to work. So, and as much as, the PlayStation version's better for the run, but if you're trying to, do something funny at a party, get the Switch version. The Switch version has the hit the home button, go to like your album, then go back into the game and you instantly die glitch that always gets a laugh. Hey, pretty good. Pretty good. How much time do I need shaved off? Like, the world record is 24:47. My best is a 25:09. It's like what? I need like at least 23 seconds. Shit. I need 23 seconds of time save. Okay. Uh-oh. My ass! Okay, not good. Not starting really bad, gotta say. My favorite classic Popeye quote. Oh, my ass! Oh, Bluto gave me a pounding in the ass. Turn the stream off. Go home. Whoa! Well, fuck my ass! Okay, turn the stream off. Now, this is going to be fucked up if this is the world record run. I don't want this one on record. If this ends up being the world record, I have to do another run. I don't want the kids seeing this. I don't want when they build a statue of me in my hometown, I don't want this to be the legacy. Guys, I need one of you to come up the stairs. I need literally one of you to move. Well, not now. This is a bad run. This is I should reset now. But we're not that far over. We're not finishing this run, but Love Funny says it'll be the world record. I don't know about that. Not at this point. What kids are gonna watch this? Listen, I know how it is. I'm so adamant about no one under 18 watching my stream that I know that there are going to be children watching this shit. And they should not be, man. I don't want them here. But it's there's an alert to that, right? Go this way. Yeah, we'll go this way. Fuck it, we're going beach mode. Yeah, you see that guy on the boat? Allegedly, there was a glitch I haven't found yet. But I don't know. Because I've tried to find it. It was close. I cut that turn way too sharp. I almost ran right into him. Uh-oh. There, yep, this. Come on. Come on! Okay, still not very good, but watching this game would be pretty terrible for their mental development. Watching my stream is bad for mental development, whether you're a kid or an adult. Which is a pretty low percentage of people under 18. I don't believe that. I do not believe that. What's the metric for that data? Is it people who said that they're over 18 when they made an account? Because I don't believe that. Hearts, please. What was the first website that you lied about your age on? What was the first website that you were like, I'm 18. Show me M-rated game. Newgrounds? Yeah, Newgrounds was mine. 100%. Though back in the day, you didn't need an account to view mature content on Newgrounds. I remember there was a... Never mind. We're not talking about this. Never mind. All right. We're doing really bad time-wise, so that's good. Don't... Well... Come on. Awesome games done at a respectable speed. This is more like awful game done at a variable speed. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Sometimes maybe fast, sometimes maybe slow. I don't know why. Oh, I watched a video essay about the CDI Zelda games today. And so in my head, all I hear in my head is lamp oil, ropes, bombs. You want them? I just have the Morshu thing in my head. Uh-oh, there's no heart there. Uh-oh. Hearts, please. Okay, I think I'm going to finish this one at a pretty respectable... Okay, 0.1. My chant isn't refreshing. Uh-oh. Resend all of your previous messages. Oh, wait, no, I got it. I got it. I used to sign up telling about every website I was over 18. When I actually turned 18, I was like, oh, I could just tell the truth now? Yeah, I had that realization at like 20. That I didn't need to. I always used to put my birthday in as like the oldest possible thing. Right? Like I always used to be born at like 1902. And then at like 20 or 21, I was like, oh, I guess I don't need to do that anymore, do I? Oh. I always love the classic Morshu quote. In the beginning, God created the heavens. Yeah, okay. I'm not reading that whole thing. What's the other shopkeeper's name? There's Morshu, and then there's like Ushram. Like they just flipped the names. Pelamoon and I are gonna play the CDI games on stream at some point. I don't know when, but he's gonna take one, I'm gonna take the other, and then we'll figure out who's playing Zelda's Adventure. Lamp oil, rope, bombs. You want them? I hit the uh-oh. Well, okay, it'll be fine. If I'm not tabbed into live split, it fucks up. If I'm not tabbed into live, everything's kind of, I still don't have chat. My chat is not refreshing. My split is now fucked up. The Tony issues at the beginning of the stream were just the start of the tech issues. Oh, spinach. Yeah, I can't read your chat messages at the current moment. Once this runs over, I can do a workaround, but please only say nice things in chat. Please only say go streamer. You can do it, streamer. Every time I pick up a heart, if you could just go Pog. Another heart, Pog. That would be great. That would be appreciated. Uh-oh. No hearts. Oh, this one. Okay, we're going to take this route. This is the safe strat. There will be no gay baby jail if I do it this way. Okay. Okay. Oh, chat's working now. This streamer is pee-pee poo-poo. Very bad mods. Thank you guys for doing another heart, Pog. I wonder if there are, I mean, I have a lot of things I wonder about this game that I just don't think I'll ever know. I'm not built to lab like that, but I wonder if there are set heart pattern. Sorry. I wonder if there are set heart patterns. I wonder if you can like build out strats for each level. I have so many questions and they'll never be answered. That genuinely bums me out, man. There will never be a Popeye speedrunning community. Oh! Should have known that was gonna. All right, give me that spinach. We're gonna go hard mode. So I definitely think they drop in set locations, but the order in which they drop, I think is randomized, but I don't know. Couldn't tell you for sure. Wish I could. Wish I may. Wish I might. Have this wish I wish tonight. I don't know. Really bad time-wise. Okay. Because if they dropped in a set order, that would change this whole thing. The whole field would be different. But I don't think they are. I think they're randomized. I think it's set locations, bird jump scare. But I think it's randomized when they drop. But without, like, a serious dedication to labbing, I just don't think I'll ever know. Maybe it's better I don't know, you know? Life's great mysteries are meant to be just that, mysteries. Not everything needs solved. We don't need answers all the time. Sometimes the only answer you need is oh! The crazy thing is, that's the actual noise I'd make when I get punched. Like the sound of a really scared dog. Well, I think this run is already over. And that it is. And that it is. We're not going to get a completed run tonight, are we? We're back, baby. Popeye's back, baby. Not even close to a completed run. All right, I'm going to try to lock this next one. I'm going to try and lock it in. Try and lock it in, chat. It's going to be less talking for me on this one. I'm going to try and lock it in. All right, 3, 2, 1. I just lock it in. Maybe I'll be able to get world record back. Like I said, if I can, my goal is sub 25. If I can get a sub 25 tonight, huge win. If I can complete one run tonight, that's a win. If I can get a sub 25 tonight, that's a major win. And if I get world record, you know, that's a world shattering win. That's a W so big. You ever think about how the word world starts with a W? makes you appreciate life. Wow. Good night, Chris. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. And I'm like half locked in. Hold on. Thank you for being here, and thank you for saying poggers. Thank you. This way. Oh, okay. Starting with a PB. Starting with a PB. You love to see it. I'm locking it in now. Oh. You I'm locking it in, baby.
Popeye, catch!
Fuck, there's... Maybe it would do me good to tilt the camera up. And I could see, like, parts coming down a little bit better. I don't know. A thought. That's a thought. Fuck a double spinach. I said I was going to grab the spinach any chance I got. Hey, you know what? New day, new strats. New year, new Popeye strats. I used to never go that deep down on the beach. Come on. Not great, but we're still in the green.
Popeye, catch!
Olive, where are the hearts, please? Missed. That's a whiff. Bad. I think that was just a lot of bad RNG. I think Olive really goofed me on that one.
Popeye, catch!
Olive, please. Please, Olive, letters. Oh, come on. Don't. Come on, Olive. I feel like I'm getting real bad RNG. Yes. Please. I'm getting goofed on by this RNG, man. This is some bad RNG. Olive is not being cooperative.
Popeye, catch!
Awesome. This is bad. This is bad. I mean, if I finish the run, it is what it is. But man, she is not playing nice. Come on. Bad, bad, bad. Bad, 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 bad. Bad, 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 bad. Very bad. Not good. I also feel like my routing is pretty rusty.
Popeye catch.
I mean, also, let's be honest, I suck. I fucking suck. All of those hearts are coming out this. Let's go in here. Ah, shit. I panicked and skipped that heart way out there. If there was spinach out there, gone for it, I think. Alas. Oh, okay, there's nothing over here. Well. Okay, made up about 5 seconds. Now I just need to make up all the others.
Popeye catch.
Where'd the bird go? I hate the letter levels the most. I hate the ship. It's too claustrophobic. But also, I don't know, it's claustrophobic, but it's easy to route. I'll give it that. Did I just fuck myself? Had to take the L on that. L. Oh, come on. See, we've reached the point where they're faster than you are. So like what you can't do anything. All you could do is run for the stairs. Please, Olive. I'm gonna get boarded. Bad. Bad. Bad RNG.
Popeye, catch!
Life goes on. The run goes on. No hearts. What are we doing, Olive? Come on. Bad. Every time that I make a routing mistake like this, I just want like an extra large, like wrong buzzer to play. Every time I fuck up like that, I want to. Bad. I mean, I think the RNG's goofing me right now too, but this is some bad routing, I feel. You dickhead! That's Popeye. That's Popeye speedruns, baby. You fucking dick. Will we finish one run tonight? Yes or no, chat? Yes? Hey. Thank you for being a believer. Hold on. I'm getting... Maybe I need a... I need to get my blood sugar up. Let me get an animal cracker. Yep, that was it. Now I feel good. Now I can... This will be the run. All right. 3, 2, 1... spinach eat? No, that will have reverse effect.
Popeye catch.
My one condition to myself for going back to Popeye speedrunning was I will not eat any more canned spinach. The like streamer in me, the like bit guy in me is like, you got to do the spinach. You got to bring the spinach back. But the human being in me was like, please, I really don't want to do that again. That is the worst shit I've ever eaten. I would end stream, those spinach streams I did, I would end stream and then just like hang out near my toilet because I was so sure I was going to throw up. Miserable. And spinach is nasty. It was, like I said, it's the worst thing I've ever eaten. The taste was like a balloon, and then the texture was like gritty. It was terrible. It was horrendous. Fresh spinach is great. Yeah, for sure. I love fresh spinach. I love spinach on a pizza. I feel like it's an underrated pizza topping.
Popeye catch.
But canned spinach is I never, just thinking about how that tasted is making me nauseous. You know when your like mouth starts watering because you're nauseous? That's me and spinach. Or that canned spinach. I could just feel like the bile shift in my body when I think about that canned spinach. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. The L. Might as well. I'm stuck here waiting. Why didn't Popeye glow red in the cartoons? Get out of my way. When he ate spinach in the cartoons, he should have glowed red. Please, please, please. Please. Okay, broke even.
Popeye catch.
Every time he ate spinach, he should have gone, he should have gone, I'm going Super Saiyan. Oh, what beautiful golden hair I have. That wasn't even, hold on, I fucked that one up. Oh, and what beautiful golden hair I have. Oh! I think that would be the worst noise in the world. Popeye going Super Saiyan. Fan art of the... Oh, there has to be, dude. Was that a waste of time? We're going this way. I don't see any hearts towards town. Let's go to the beach. Each time to get away. Come on. Come on. In the red. Sad dang.
Popeye, catch.
Okay. Hearts? Hearts? Olive hearts? I think I saw one over here. Jesus. Bad starting RNG. Oh, what does my scouter say? His power level is over 9,000? Whoa! Oh, I don't know, Chant. Maybe I'm just washed. Maybe I'm just washed. Maybe I'll never be able to do it. Sad frickin' day.
Popeye, catch.
Here's my theory. If I can cope for a second. My theory is that if we're going to get big time save, it's going to be in those later levels where I always died or always like panic routed. I think if we're going to get big time save, it's going to be in those where these early levels, I've run them so much that they've kind of been padded down. The PBs have been pretty solidified. That's my cope theory. The real answer is I'm washed. Olive's being pretty decent to me on this ship, though. Uh-oh. Oy, 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 oy. We're good. We're good. We're good. Come on, Olive. Come on, Olive. Bad. Bad, bad, very bad. Washed. He's washed. He'll never get the world record again. He's washed. I may never achieve a sub 25. I will die trying to achieve a sub 25. That's pretty sad. Oh, not a good start. I'm taking it. I'm going for it. Will I regret it? Probably. When I end up 2 minutes over, I'll regret it. What was this routing? Streamer, what was your plan with this routing? You know what? They probably asked, Van Gogh, hey, what was your plan with this painting? You know? Thing is, I'm kind of the Van Gogh of Popeye speedrunning. Because I'm going to kill myself. Okay, give me the speed. Please, please let there be a heart right here. Okay, not too bad.
Popeye, catch!
I should have looked the other way. You know what? That wouldn't help me. I don't think there's anything out there either. Olive, what is with these starting throws, girl? You are straight goofing me. Straight goofed into an early grave. Come on, girl. Well, that one was on me. I can't blame her for that. Oh, this one's also on me. He's washed. He's washed. Get him a towel. He's washed. Stick a fork in him. He's done. Old. Hold. Fuck you. Hold. Here's how I can still win. Nerve getting the spinach stops the heart in midair. No. No, it does not. That's why I grab it whenever I've got nothing going on. I grab it and then I stand there and watch things move.
Popeye, catch.
And try to plan out my route. It's a good thought, but no, it doesn't. And even if it did, I don't think it would affect the world record because Pat speedruns. Like I said, I'm following what he did, which is just constantly go for spinach. It's all just RNG, I think. At the end of the day, it's all just RNG and a little bit of on-the-fly routing. I think that's the whole game. I really, as much as I wish there was more to this, I don't think there is. Oh, you fucking dick. Level 8, always level 8. I always get a death on level 8, no matter what. Runs always die on level 8. You fucking dick! One more. Olive. Oh, no, I need a couple more. Please. Spinach or something, please. I've just fucked myself. Always 8. It's always level 8. Always level 8. We're not gonna get a completed run tonight. I'm actually washed. 3, 2, 1. I'm washed. I'm so washed. They said it couldn't be done, and it can't.
Popeye, catch.
Okay, here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Watch this. We'll grab the spinach. See? Everything's still moving. The only thing the spinach stops is you. Good theory, but... yeah, this is looking like a tasty lineup. You know what would make this game good? If every time you grabbed a heart, if you like comboed, you would pick up speed. If we were doing like Pac-Man Championship Edition shit, this game would rule. Okay, good start. Good start, green start. Like to see that. Okay, good start. Couple letters at the start. You love to see it. Olive doesn't always do that, so that's nice of her. Every time you got a heart, Popeye made a noise. I mean, there were those, we did find those voice lines. Man, someone must have already data mined this game. If they got those unused voice... Now, that's interesting. That's a thought. I should look into that. But there's the unused voice lines that are terrible. But, I mean, I could just make the... What kind of noise should he make? Hello? Oh. Thank you. I'm really playing loose with it right now. I gotta be honest. I am really not locked in. You should make the Ludwig U sound from Noose. I don't even know what that sounds like. It's been so long.
Popeye, catch!
You should make, every time you pick up a heart, it should be like a cartoon, like, splurt sound effect. Every time you grab a heart, it should go... I feel like there's an infinite amount of ways to make this game better. Number one would be to have Olive actually do her job, please. Do you care if I can post a link or not? I'm gonna bet not. I'm gonna bet Nightbot is gonna beat you to death. Bad RNG. Bad, 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 bad. Bad, 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 bad. Honestly, it's kind of worth it to grab that just for the speed boost. Bad, bad, bad. We're going to end up like 30 seconds over. Bad, bad, bad. Very bad. Jesus. That is an unrecoverable amount. But you know what? My goal is just to finish a run. So whatever. If I have to go slow, if it takes me longer, whatever. I'm just trying to get back in the groove. Okay, this is a half decent start. Here, grab this. What a good model. The beak isn't even a different color from its head. That is a half-finished model. Dear God. Well, half may be a little generous. No hearts. You dick. You fucking dick. It's over. This runs. I'm gonna go to bed tonight and just sit at the foot of my bed and just stare at the ground for 5 minutes. He's that washed. He's that washed. No hearts. Poof. No spinach. Poof. No bitches.
Popeye, catch.
You know, Olive, I heard old Popeye has no dick. He doesn't? No, he has no balls either. When are they gonna put me in charge of the Popeye brand? I think I can turn things around. Ever since the Gendy Popeye movie that they were doing at Sony got canceled, I think I can save Popeye. You just make it 90 minutes of slapstick violence, but like good slapstick. Woo. This looks bad. Bait them to 1. That was a God Gamer move. Holy shit, maybe I'm not washed. Give me this. If we end up a full minute over, I'll just retire from Popeye speedrunning now. That is, if I complete a run 1 minute in the red, I'll just retire. Thanks. I'll just quit. Really getting goofed on by Olive. Oh no. Oh, it ain't looking good. A whole minute in the red. Oh God.
Popeye, catch.
That's fine. Okay. Good. Good. We're going to take this. We're going to run straight down that way. Good, 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 good. That's nice. You like that? Let's go over. Let's go over. Don't gay baby jail it. Thank you. Hearts. Olive. Olive, where are the hearts? Olive, wake up, my sweet. You guys, have you guys watched a lot of Popeye cartoons? I'm talking the old Fleischers. You guys watch a lot of those? I have. Yeah, I think I've seen the majority of them. I love them. They're probably like third. My third favorite like theatrical cartoon. Behind like Looney Tunes is 2 and then Tom and Jerry's number 1. I love slapstick cartoon violence. You dick! Now, wait a second. Maybe this will be a time save. Maybe he actually helped us. Kinda. We're up by 3.5. The thing that's great about Popeye cartoons is like you get really cartoony slapstick violence, but those early Fleischer, like, well, just the Fleischers before it became Famous Studios, that the rubber hose cartoon logic is so fun because you never know what you're gonna get. You never know what's gonna happen. You know, like, I love Looney Tunes and Tom and Jerry, but you know, when a bomb blows up, they're just gonna have soot on their face, right? Like, that's a classic gag. Doesn't mean it's not funny, but we know that gag. With old, like, with rubber hose stuff, with Fleischer Popeyes, a bomb blows up and it could, you know, Popeye could come down like in 12 different pieces rearranged wrong and then walk around for a bit as like this fucked up creature and then like make a disgusting animal noise at the camera and you're just sitting there like, what was that? Why did that happen? And it's great. It's a real fun grab bag. I don't think they're always the funniest cartoons. I think a lot of the time like the gags just get repeated over and over. In a way, like, you know, they'll punch each other for like 30 seconds straight, but when they get real weird with it, they're beautiful, man. I knew that was gonna happen. That was an actual jump scare. Oh my god, my heart's beating a mile a minute now. Go back, rewatch that. I actually jumped out of my chair. Holy shit, that scared me. I knew he was gonna spawn there. God damn it. This. Okay, pretty good. We're making up time. Pretty good. If I can finish... Well, I'm not finishing out this run. We're at level 8. Have I made it to level 9 tonight at all? I don't know if I have. I gotta be honest, I don't think I will. God damn. Get the bird out of here. Leave me the hell alone, Boyd. Letters, Olive. Excuse me. Move, 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 move. I just saw the Boyd. I just saw the Boyd. For the letters, Olive. I got stuck. I got stuck on the railing to the stairs. God damn it. Well, we made it to level 9. I'm sweating so bad.
Popeye, catch!
What's with the term? I guess like Cloud 9, right? What's with that term? I'm good at. I'm gonna figure that one out. Fun fact. Uh-oh. I'm ready. Every map in this game is from one asset pack. Yeah. Yep. We figured that out when I was researching why it got delisted. I don't know about, there's the claim that like this game's full of stolen assets. I honestly don't know if that's true. The Popeye model that they list is like, yeah, this is a stolen asset. Could be different. I don't know. Not trying to defend the devs on this one, but I don't buy that this is that like the Popeye models are stolen assets. I don't buy that. But it could be. It could be. I just need to see more evidence. The levels, though, are definitely from a Unity asset pack. We know that 100% for sure. I would love another can of spinach right about now. Don't touch me. Hearts, please. Olive, where in the hell are the hearts, girl? Come on now. You're holding out on me, Olive. Please. I beg you. Please. 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 Oh, it's so over. It's so over. It's so over. I will be lucky, 1, to finish this, but 2, if this is a 26, I will be lucky. Current pace right now is a 26-23. Oh, come on. What's with the RNG? RNG, you know what that stands for? Really not good. Oh my god. I'm getting fucked here. Art. God damn. Sorry. That one's on me. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Got on level 10, she spawns over here. How we doing, chat? World record pace? What are we thinking? Sub 23? Sub 22 even, maybe? Don't. Oh my god, dude. If that hit me, I would have shit blood. That's a tenner. 26 flat. 2644. Hey, we completed one run. Not good. I will say I think that was a 50-50 of bad RNG and some of my routing. I'm like, I don't know if you've noticed, I'm like panicking. I will like split decision, like double back and just, you know, completely miss some hearts and actually have to turn around. But not good on my part, I feel. But I think a big thing is RNG. Jesus. And that's why I don't think a 20 level run is possible. I just don't think that's possible. If Pat wants to make that category, and he can run it himself, because I ain't running that. All right. Do we have time for one more? What time do I need to be out of here? Let me see here. What time do I need to be out of here? 9:20. We have time for exactly one more. Okay, so that was a 26 flat. Let's do I got time for one more, whether I finish it or not. But we finished one tonight. So I'll take it. Let's do it. One more. 3, 2, 1, go. I wish you guys were able to run this game with me. I really do. I wish, well, you're reading this. You said I genuinely want to see the source code. I would love that, man. If I knew how to rip it, decompile it, and all of that, I would make this shit open source. But I just don't know how. I don't know how. I don't know how to do any of that. And like, I guess I could pivot my life's work into being about preserving and optimizing Popeye 2021. But I feel like that's the path in life you take, where you end up like 75 dying alone in extreme poverty. You know, like, I feel like that's the bad end. You need a modded console? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I like I said, I don't know anything about it. But if someone does, I'm willing to hear them out on it. You dick. But it's level 1, so like the AI is too stupid to even get me on that. Okay, only 2 over, only 3 over. That's okay. You know, I'll take that over 40.
Popeye, catch!
The thing, every GDQ, the main thing I walk away feeling is just like a lot of respect for speedrunner. You know, I run this game one stream a week every one stream every 9 months or whatever. But these guys, they grind every day, and I respect that. I could not do that. I think I'd go nuts. Yeah, I'd go crazy. But I think this is the first time that I'm ending, maybe not. I feel like this is the first time I'm ending a Popeye stream not having the world record. Which means I gotta come back for it. I'm gonna try and sneak. Thank you. Which means there will be Popeye runs next week, probably. I got some sponsored stuff next week. Oh. Uh-oh. 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 God bless level 2 hitboxes. Okay, not too bad. Right now, I just want to walk. I just want to come down from 26.
Popeye, catch!
I can do that. I'll be happy. The world record runner, Mike, is dead. Okay, we're building 26 is my new PB. We're building it out from there. There's a heart over there, but there's 2 over here, so I'm going to go this way. Oh, there's 3. Shit, we'll double back. Funny playing this because in my head, there's all these ideas for like to take this as a base and just make a way better Popeye game. But I don't know anything about programming, so never mind. Then again, I don't know if the devs of this game knew anything about programming either. I gotta be honest. I'm allowed to talk shit about the devs of this game because they never responded to my emails. They didn't respond to my emails. They didn't respond to my YouTube comments. And all I would say was like, I would be like, hi, my name is Mike. I'm a genuinely like a huge fan of this game. I actually speed ran it. I'm the world record speedrun holder. I was wondering if you guys could offer any insights into how like Olive works, how her art placements work, or anything like that. Thank you.
Popeye Cat.
And they would never respond. They snubbed me, and now their game is delisted. You connect the dots. You draw the picture. Let this be a warning to developers. I'm pissed, but I'm coming. I did nothing wrong. I did everything correct. Why am I toxic? Thanks for the money, dummies. Sorry what the devs were saying about this game. Take an Airbird Alley. I will regret it. Nope, actually, I'm okay. Hey, that ain't bad. That ain't bad.
Popeye Cat.
I smell a world record. Why does it smell like toast burning? Oh, okay, the spinach despawn. I know I'm gonna die young because I'm gonna be like in like a hospital. I'm gonna like call an ambulance and they're gonna have me like in the ambulance driving me to the hospital and be like, "Sir, you had a stroke." I'll be like, "Stroke of my dick." They'll just push me out on the street. Sorry, you had a seizure. Yeah, seizure, you're nuts. Sir, your brain is hemorrhaging? Yeah, hemorrhaging about losing at Halo 3.
Popeye, catch!
What if I told you guys that I actually kind of enjoy playing this game? What does that say about me as a person? Do you respect me more or less if I were to tell you that? It's just, you know, it's not a good game, but it's nice, like, brainless fun. I think maybe if I was playing it casually, I would fucking hate it. But to give myself the speed goal and everything, I don't know, dude. It's just brainless. We're doing a lot of brainless gaming recently. Playing Gotham Knights, and that's a fucking brain. But I've been, like, oddly enjoying it, even though it's bad. I don't know. They should, on the Gotham Knights box, they should put, yeah, it's brainless fun. Popeye 2021 speedrunner. Skirt across. All right, I'm gonna bet big that there's another heart to the left here. Thank God. Oh, thank God. Dope. We might break green. We might break green.
Popeye, catch!
Current pace is a 25:10, which is only 1 second over my first world record. Right? Or maybe that's my second world record. Oh, bad start. Oh, no, I saw one. No. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That was some bad routing. That was some garbage routing. There went the run. Would you guys stay in an Airbnb that was, like, themed after one of these shacks? With a TV that's just, like, hardwired to only play this game? I'm trying to think of new Saw torture devices. Oh. What's the deal with Airbnb? Is it what's the point of that? Is it cheaper than, like, getting a hotel room? Why would you not just get a hotel room? Or do I just not understand? Used to be better than hotels. Okay. I know that they were, like, buying houses. The corporation was buying houses to turn into Airbnbs. They were buying low-income houses. Which is just really good. That's just good. We're on pace. We're on pacing. Not for world record, though close. But for a sub 25.
Popeye, catch.
Oh, now I'm nervous. The run's about to be thrown. I should just not look at my split. Oh, I got spinach fucked. Okay. Shit. We're okay. We're okay. Why do I keep getting spinach cocked? Every time I get up here to get the spinach, it despawns. It's pissing me off. You are a fucker. You are a fucker. Give me this. I have earned this. Wait, Pluto despawned. There he is. What do I need? Two more? Two more. Come on, Olive. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, Olive. One. I need one, Olive. We're still on sub 25 pace. We're not on world record pace, but we are on sub 25 pace.
Popeye, catch.
And we got past level 8, which is the hardest level, so don't count your cans of spinach yet. I only see one heart. Kind of bad start. Not good start. Let's cross over. Nothing on the beach. Bad start. Pluto's gonna spawn right here. Yep. Saw another heart. This early in, I will take any heart. I don't care about the routing fuck-ups. Hearts. Any hearts? Nice that the skulls despawn if they're right on top of you. That's nice of them. You. and well, fuck you, Luigi. You asshole. Oh my god. Jason Voorhees asshole. Why is this the scariest fucking game in the world? Okay, that was pretty solid, but that was a bad finish, I think. But what are you gonna do? We're still in the green. We're no longer on sub 25 pace, but oh my heart. That Bluto scared me so fucking bad. Jesus. Okay. Let's lock it in. Don't redeem Tony right now. Okay, let's think about that. You see, I don't see any. All just dropped over there, so let's go this way. Stuck? Okay. I think I got stuck there because the bird was spawning in. If I didn't have invincibility, that would have been an Airbird Alley situation, and I would have pissed blood. My pussy. Okay, don't cut that. Don't let that part air. Chat, this is gonna be my first sub 25. Chat, is this gonna be world record? Chat, is this world record? Chat, that's world record. Whoopsie. That's world record. Whoopsie. I just accidentally got world record. Whoopsie. What the hell happened? Last run I was at 26 flat. Now I got world record again. Oh, baby. They said it couldn't be done. I said it couldn't be done. It shouldn't have been done. And it's done, baby. That's the RNG in play. That's the RNG. Didn't you get world record on last run of the night last time? So first world record was last run of the night. Second world record that I didn't submit, but second world record was last run of the night. This is the last run of tonight. Listen, I don't believe necessarily in cosmic beings, but I certainly do believe in the cosmic rule of funny. And one of the rules of the rule of funny is the rule of 3. And brother, that's 3 in a row. That's a trilogy, brother. What the hell? Well, that's world record again. I got to submit that tomorrow. Sorry, Pat. But here, here's hoping Pat comes back and beats mine. I told you, I think a sub 2430 is possible. The world record's now 2431, so could be real. Could be real. Every time. That's so funny. That's happened 3 times in a row. His was, I think it was 2447. I'm pretty sure it's 2447, so I think I can get it under 2430, but I don't think we could go much deeper down than that. Not without some, like, extensive labbing, and I'm just not built for that, which is why I'm bummed that you guys can't play the game. But that's world record. Man, I feel good now. Guys, 6 more runs? You guys want to... No, I'm done after this. After I die here, I'm going to call it, and I'm going to edit, clip that out, and that's getting submitted. I'm dead, aren't I? I think that's the first time I've ever beaten level 11. I just went to hit my split. I don't need to do that. Like I said, Pat's been talking about doing adding a 20 level category, and I don't think I'm gonna run that. I think that's nuts. I think that's crazy.
Popeye, catch.
They said I was washed. I said I was washed. I said I was rusty. I said it couldn't be done. It got done, baby. Taking the title back. I could put Popeye World Record Runner in my descriptions again. It can be done. Let this be a lesson. The dream that you dream is only a dream if you don't. But if you do, the world bends to the power of the doers and the thinkers, and the people will praise the heroes and the doers, and the dreamers will sleep well in their beds knowing that they've done the... Popeye. Oh, and I got the high score finally! Oh my god, they said it couldn't be done, baby! I'm more excited about that than the world record! Oh my god. World record 2431. A sub 2430 is absolutely possible. It absolutely can be done. I can't believe that. That took 2 PBs. Look at that. We got insane RNG on level 10, I think. But also, I was way less nervous playing level 10 than I've been before because I didn't think I was going to get world record. So I was just goofing. I was just playing normally. All the other times I was on world record pace and started panicking. This time I didn't think I was going to get it. That's nuts. Well, I'm going to go clip that out and submit that. Hopefully Pat doesn't hate me too much. Hopefully Pat doesn't come back for that too soon. And I can take at least a couple weeks off. Damn, that's so funny. I can't believe last run of the night again. You can't write shit like that. That's when I talk about the cosmic rule of funny in the universe, that's the kind of shit I'm talking about. Nuts. Game is just evil Pac-Man. Yeah. Well, that's why I was talking about, like, if you put in, like, Pac-Man Championship Edition shit, this game could be good. But they didn't, and it isn't, so. Chat, that's it for me tonight. I gotta go submit this. Hey, GDQ started doing Halo, I think, like, right now. So I'm gonna raid GDQ if you guys want to watch Halo. I'll be back tomorrow, maybe, unless there's a really bad snowstorm. Oh, they're still doing Mario Maker 2? Oh, they're still doing Mario Maker 2. Okay, Halo's now been moved to 10, so I'm still going to raid GDQ. I will be back tomorrow unless there's snow and I'm stuck at work. And I'll do the Upturned. I'll do the Upturned, unless Pat takes the world record back. Tomorrow, in which case I'm getting that shitter back. I'm taking that record back, baby. But, that's it for me tonight. Thanks for being here, chat. You made this stream great. I would have gotten tilted, probably, if not for you guys. So thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out and talking to me. Thanks for proposing theories. Thanks for listening to my Popeye impression. See you tomorrow, hopefully. I also might stream some stuff in the Discord Saturday night. Not a movie necessarily, but I might stream some tape rips. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not betting on that, but I might. I'm out of here. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. Thank you, chat. Let's try a little let's do a victory Popeye drawing. Here we go. Victory Popeye. I've never drawn Popeye before. Okay, let's start with his head. Great. Oh, and I just fucked it all up. And I just hold on. Okay. And then there's his chin. Wow, that's bad. That's bad even for me. Okay, there's his nose. There's his eye. There's him screaming for God to take him. Let's draw his big muscles, okay? Wow, great. Okay. Oh, dude, we could do the... Here we go. I can save this, okay? Okay, there's the spinach that he's pouring... how do I write spinach? That's good. Okay. And then here's his, like, neck. Here's his... Okay, and then, like, we're gonna do that. And, like... This is really bad, even for me. This is surprisingly bad. And there's his famous top hat. And to quote Popeye, I am what I am. And I stands all I can stands. I can't stands no more. I don't know what that's directed at, but that's badass. What's your favorite Popeye quote? Mine's whoa! Well, fuck my ass! Good night.